Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. And now let's dive right in. Now to unrestrict someone from Facebook Messenger, first open up your Messenger app and make sure to be logged into the account to which you want to unrestrict someone. And at the top left corner of the screen, guys, you can see there is the three-lined icons. Tap on there and this kind of menu will appear where you can see the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that and over here scroll down until you can see the privacy and safety. Under the category of preferences, tap on privacy and safety, and from again over here, guys, you can see the restricted accounts category or the option just on the who can reach you, and tap on that restricted accounts, and all of the restricted accounts will be available over here. Now in order to unrestrict a particular account, tap on that account, and over here you can find the option to unrestrict at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and let's wait for a moment, guys, and you can see this account has been unrestricted. And guys, this is how you unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.